Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we have an exercise. The name of this exercise is Sum and Average of Integers. So write a program to sum a sequence of integers and calculate their average. Assume that the first integer, read with scanf, specifies the number of values to be entered. Your program should read only one value each time scanf is executed. A typical input sequence might be 7 at first, which specifies the number of numbers that is going to be entered: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, where the 7 indicates that the subsequent 7 values are going to be summed. That's it. Go on and try to solve this problem and come back to this video for the solution. Welcome back, and this is the solution to our problem. First, I have initialized a counter, which this counter is going to be used in this for statement. Secondly, I have used a variable to remember the count of numbers that is going to be entered by the user. So probably the user entered 7 as the first number, and we are going to remember that in this variable using scanf. Now another variable here for the calculating of the sum of all the numbers that is going to be entered by the user. Now we have a for loop. The for loop will start from counter, which is 1, and it will go until this number, count of numbers, which in our case it's 7 numbers. And each time the loop is running, the counter will be added one value at a time. Now we are going to use this variable to store and remember the number that the user is going to enter after 7. And each time the number is entered, we are going to add that number to sum. And this for loop will run for 7 times until all of those 7 numbers are stored in this variable, and all of them are going to be added to the sum. Finally, we are going to calculate the average using this statement, and at the end we are going to print the value of sum and the value of average for all those numbers. Now let's go and run this program. Here, the first number that I'm going to enter is going to specify the subsequent numbers. So maybe I will say 5 numbers. Then I will enter 5 different numbers: 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. And at the end, you can see that the sum is 150 and the average is 30. That's it for this episode. See you in the coming episodes.